What's up guys, Gabe here from TRW, and I had a few questions the other day when I posted the Keep Cruisin' Instagram post with that cool beach van. Some of you guys were asking if we sell that design. So the answer is yes or no. Yes, we have that beach design, the actual beach van. No, not with the font, not with the text that it currently has, and I'm just going to show you guys real quick how I did that and how quick and easy it is. So here it's that actual van, you can see it right there. It's part of Summer Pack Volume 1. I'm going to hit preview entire pack, and what this does is it lets me see the whole pack. And I already looked for it before recording this, and I saw that it was right. Page 13, I see it's called Beach Van 5. So in my files, so you can see here, I'm under Summer Pack Volume 1, Clipart, Beach Van 5. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it in my curl document that I have open. And I'm going to import it as curves. I don't have any text, so it's not necessarily applying to that. But I got the design here, and I'm going to take my text tool, click and type in keep. I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to pull up the font that I used. In this case, it's a Google font called Molly. Google fonts are all free, open source. There it is there. I'm going to put it roughly where I want it. Make it a little larger around there. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to copy and paste it where I want the next word to go. So keep here, cruising down here. And real quick, I want to show you that shortcut. I'm clicking with left click, which is regular. But when I hover over the place where I want the second line of text to go, instead of just letting go, I'm going to, while holding the left click, and I'm still holding it, you can see, while holding the left click, I'm going to also tap the right click, and that will copy and paste exactly where I am. So let's go right here, right click, and I got that. The reason I did that is because when I typed out the word cruisin', I didn't want it to come out in Arial. I wanted it to keep the same properties that I had here. So you'll see it there, double click here, just type out cruisin', and I just saved just a little bit of time. So I'm just gonna adjust it to be exactly where I want it to go. So like it right there. So I could add a contour on these guys if I wanted to through Corel here in the contour tool, or using the wizard, we've made it a little bit easier. It's going to save you some time, save a couple steps. So I'm going to go to my live template editor. I'm going to use magic boundary here, and I'm going to set my contour to 0.05. It's going to give it a little bit more space in between the text. I'm going to hit remove shapes behind. I'm going to click keep. I'm going to hold shift, click cruising, and now I've got them both selected. So now when I hit the magic boundary, it knocks out the background here. So check it out when I go to my wireframe. You can see that that's knocked out. Because we have more of a scripty font, you can see that they're running into each other, and that's not going to be good when you send it to your cutter. It's actually going to cut that entire line. So I'm just going to highlight my whole design and use the weld option up here. It doesn't look like anything changed. When I go back into my wireframe, boom, it's looking clean, it's looking good, just about ready to cut. So I'd like to see what it looks like before I'm done with it. I'm going to highlight my design, give it, let's say, in this case, bubblegum, using bubblegum easy weed. And then I like to always resize my design, my artboard to fit the actual design. Actually, before I do it, let me resize the design. Let's bring it down to about 9.5 inches wide. And then we'll size the artboard. And now we're ready to turn this into a mock-up. So go to your mock-ups. I'm going to go to quick product. I've got my template detail steps here. There's two options. It's going to be product and design. We'll do product first. For product type, I'm going to select women's. For the actual product, I'm going to select tank top shirt, and we'll save that. Now we just told the wizard this is the product I want to use for this project. Go back up to the detailed steps and select design. I already have my design selected. I'm going to hit save design, and now we're ready. Boom, there you go. So here I could kind of eyeball it and kind of use adjustments. In this case, it might be a little small. If I wanted it a little larger, I would undo what I did, adjust the size of the actual design to, let's say, 10 inches. I still have the product saved already. So with the design highlighted, save design, create mockup, and I get to see it with the 10-inch design instead. And I actually like that. This is pretty much ready to go. And that's how you work on the Keep Cruisin' design using some of the clip arts that we have in other artwork packs. In this case, the Summer Artwork Pack Volume 1. Hope this helped you guys. Hope it was able to answer some of your questions. Thanks for watching. See ya.